Good morning everyone. Finally, nahuman ako panilhig sa among atubangan. Ang likod wa pay labot. Sumuna siya ka dako ang among palibot diri guys. So karon nagpasalamat ko kay sa Ginoo kay wala pa niabot ang kuan. Mapapasunta ang bagyong Owan. So, signal number 1 na daw ang Bohol. So, today is morning is punta po tayo sa doon sa mga trees namin nga tumba. So, mura bag ka ng camera diri ang daghang damage. It's because when we go out yesterday, passing through the road, parang wala silang damage. Parang normal lang, pero sa amin dito is marami po kaming damage. It's because higher ground po kami, mataas po yung namin label. Mataas po yung place namin. Imagine makita po namin yung, pero ngayon hindi po makita kasi parang bad weather. Yung Cebu, Mactan. Yan. Para lang ka-label po namin yung yung Cebu. So yan po guys. So we are so amazed yesterday. Paglabas na ni Philip yesterday November 7. We are surprised really. Okay. Nagdahumi nga dagan pagdamis, pero hindi pala sa amin lang pala. Sa amin lang pala yung bagyo. So far so good naman kasi yung bahay po namin, yung kitchen, kasi separate ang bahay namin at saka kitchen. Ano lang po yan, light materials, made of light materials. Storage room, okay po. Yung chicken house po namin, okay po. So, yung comfort room po namin is okay po. Yan, separate po yan guys. Yung kinalalagyan po namin ng electricity main separate po namin. So wow, Philip did a good job really guys. A warm of applause to him please. Wow, as you can see before, after the tino, grabe ang kuanari ang sige na messy na karon. Grabe si Philip. Ito po yung mga banana namin na natumba sayang kaayo. So nga palang may baboy dere, hindi siguro masayang, pero siguro siyang yan ang mga damage namin. So ito po yung palalab ko. Ayun lang, ako siyang iari kay na-prepare ko breakfast, lami kaayo, lettuce with eggs. So kamangha guys, daming bunga. At saka half na po yung dito. Ibang punuan. They're still standing. Survive gapan siya sa typhoon. Oh. Hi my love.
Hi there.
Good morning. Enough?
What?
I'm making you a breakfast.
Oh, okay. Now?
Yeah?
Okay.
So What you gonna do with that?
Go in the compost rows.
Oh,
I'll feed the bananas with rotting bananas.
okay.
It supplies all the nutrients that they need.
Mm-hmm.
So this row and then the row down over there.
Oh
Watch
yeah,
out, guys.
that's a good idea, my love, because they are dry, especially here. Oh, dry na siya. Yung sa man yung banana, guys, grabe na kaniwang. So natambok kayo ni. Lagi siya bunga, guys. So yellow ra ba siya nga kuan?
Is it ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe you're gonna do first the leaves because soon it will dry.
Yeah.
I'm going to help you chopping
Yeah, if you want to.
because soon the leaves will dry quick, but the stem it will last longer.
Whew.
I'll make your salad.
Yeah, it looks good here.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think I got most of it.
Mm-hmm.
I still got a dead one right here. No top to it. And if you want these hearts,
Oh, okay.
now's
I
the
will
time
just-
to get them before they rot.
Later. Bring this in like one. Pabaka na. Makaya. Pabaka na. Tundan. Sayang. My love.